I'm removing the factory radio from a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro and installing the new Apple Play radio. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand, but if you've watched enough of my videos, you know how much I hate doing this, because when I'm in work mode, I don't like being interrupted. But if I can't do it, I'll at least show you. Push this pin in here, and it'll slide off. Same thing here, push this pin in here. You're supposed to, okay, push it as you're pulling up on it. And this one here has a lever. Flip that lever, slides out, radio is ready to be removed. All right, as I told you guys before, when I'm super busy, I don't like to do a step-by-step video because it interrupts what I actually got going on. But I ran the camera from here, through the bumper here. Oh, I gotta put that cap back. Anyway, and then if you remove these three here, you lift this plate up and you can get directly to the reverse light. And I tapped into the reverse light with the reverse camera. And from there, I ran it under the carpet, under this piece here, behind the seat, and you do have to lift the back seats. Under the carpet here, and then it's running alongside the center console. So here's the wire here. I will trace it all the way back behind the radio, and it'll be hidden very well. And that's to install the backup camera. Okay, now I have the wire ran through. All you have to do is plug it up to the yellow one that says rear camera. Once you have that plugged up, there's a green wire. I've put a connector to the end of it, a male connector. You take this pink wire here that says parking. Then you connect the two together, and voila, the backup camera is installed. All right, the install is complete. And all those scratches and grime and dirt you see on the screen is from the screen protector. All right, looking good, me likes. Check the backup camera. Oh yeah. All right, that'll work, that works for me. While we're here, let's check out the sound.
Indians we live intense. It's more than music and your amusement. Knew that before we get formed a union with the boy you used to. Yeah, I never doubted what the Lord was doing. With me or biz, I just grabbed my sword and with the water prove it. This platform that we using, mask on.
There you go.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real.